Cosmic Railway. Woo! Welcome back to EXO Week. We got your comments in our last video, and we might do it for our last video to cap off EXO Week. We missed the intro that led up to the song Forever in that concert, and everyone in the comment section was like, that was a huge mistake.
But that wasn't part of the video.
No, I know, but they were like, you should have watched it from the intro, and then another, I forget the other song that comes after the intro, and then Forever comes on. It was supposed to be the most epic way to start the concert, and we might just do that for the last video to cap off EXO Week.
Well, we could do it again. It's just we need the right video with the intro in it.
Yeah, I got it.
Because we don't.
We got it.
Okay, good. Because the one we reacted to, I just pressed play and then it went into it.
Yeah.
It's not like we click on the link and think there should be an intro in this.
You're right. EXO, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, Artificial Love. I think we've heard Thunder.
That's a lot.
We've probably heard these songs before, especially from the Killing Voice video, but let's check it out.
Let's go.
Huh. And we're gonna sing along, damn it.
If we can.
Whoa.
Oh, hello.
Damn. Oh, there's Lay. Are they all here?
Oh.
Look at Dio with the facial expression.
I like that.
Damn.
This is clearly mid-concert because they're all kind of perspiring. Oh!
Wow, look at the rain.
Whoa, watch out, guys. Anything you do with hips are dangerous in this crowd.
Yo, Baekhyun always gets me, man.
I've been noticing Sehun more.
Yeah. I love their outfits too.
Yeah?
And that
It's like
stage. Look at Kai.
He's playing too much. How is this crowd not all fainted?
Look at this crowd. Look at this concert. Somebody said that they're coming soon, or a comeback? Yeah, Dio.
Does that while playing rock, paper, scissors. Jesus.
Okay.
Telling you, there's a lot of lethal weapons
yeah.
being brandished
Some
here.
deadly weapons.
And Kai is like...
He is playing the game.
Kai's just wet right now. I mean, he's still looking up at something. Hold on. What is going on with Kai?
I was about to say, or I didn't want to say it. I was just like,
Kai.
Kai been making me pregnant.
He's feeling himself, like literally and figuratively.
Yeah, I mean, Kai been doing some things.
I asked how this crowd is not all fainted by now, because they're all being very dangerous with their hips,
Yeah,
with their like touching themselves. Like it's a very kind of, in words you like to say, sensual performance.
It's very sensual.
But like Kai just kind of like he's on a whole other level right now.
Yeah, it's interesting because we've been exploring Kai very little, kind of a little bit more than anybody else right now. But I always thought Sehyun was like the kind of like the sex candy. Is that a word? The sex
eye
candy?
candy?
Well, the sensual
heartthrob?
candy. He's the one with the performances, the solos with with his shirt off.
Just say it.
But Kai be making some moves.
I might be mistaken, but are they like doing like crotch grabs too, like in front of
I think so.
the front row?
Yep,
Oh, my
yep.
Jesus.
There it is. Lay be doing it.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Thunder. Wow.
Look at him.
Oh my god.
He's got a devil on his
Kai
shoulder
be turning
right
me
now.
into something else now, man.
Is this the thumbnail?
Oh, guys, Kai is like, I don't want to say it.
He's being sexy and he knows it.
Look at him right now. Woo. Wow, he is a pretty man.
All right, tell the truth in the comments. Did you link this for Kai?
What is Kai doing? Oh my god.
He's having the time of his
Hey,
life.
the thumbnail's gonna say Tao. Ooh.
He's center too. He's center on the pedestal.
Right?
They're playing too much with it with this choreo right now. I mean, it is called Playboy.
Yes.
Whoa!
Whoa. Oh, Baekhyun. Okay. Makes sense.
They are.
Oh my god.
They're all seducing the crowd.
I feel like the whole stadium is filled with women. And guys.
Just filled with people. Just. I mean, he knew what he was doing the whole time.
Yo, this is like Kai's show right now. Uh-oh. We got the canes. This artificial love. Yeah. The hips. The hips is the star of the show right now.
More specifically, EXO's hips.
Yup.
I mean, I like the production is crazy, but I love how they're all in different parts of the arena.
Right. They're just, oh my god. The showmanship. Oh my god!
I want some
making me hot.
I want some honesty in the comments. Is this the part that you paused as well? Jesus.
Yo guys, I've been watching Scarlet Heart Rio and Baekhyun in there is super cute.
Why did you guys link this? It's probably their vocals are crazy. Their choreo's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
The production is top notch. I love like all of the concerts that they do that they put out is it just looks like it's an incredible time for the crowd.
It's the ultimate experience, isn't it? Like I think in the last one that we did, it's really like we tend to forget because we don't get to react to EXO like normally or like more frequently, but I've just been so blown away with their performances when they do come back, and if they do come to the US. We've got to go.
We just
scavenge every penny from every corner of our homes to go there.
We gotta search like the couch cushions.
Yep.
Even though our couches don't have cushions anymore. What is that, like a 90s thing?
Oh my goodness.
And to all of the people that were at this concert during this moment that we're about to run back, they're pretty lucky in the front row.
Yeah.
If you were in the front row, jeez. I mean, people in the nosebleeds are still getting affected.
Yeah.
I love that. We gotta shout out Jimin.
Oh, here it is.
Jeez.
I knew it was coming. Oh my god. Oh. We pregnant.
I didn't expect this section in the song.
Right? It's great. Ooh. Artificial. Oh, I love that. So good. Oh. 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 Yo. Yo, that is dope.
Is that what we got? Kai
And Lay. Oh, that's so cool.
be careful though.
Right, right. I think they can see. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, they can see. Oh my god.
Subtitles.
By the Brazilian, right? This is from the Brazilian?
A Brazilian.
Oh, a Brazilian.
No, this is a
No, it's not from a Brazilian. Oh, I'm pregnant.
That was exemplary of EXO being able to put on a performance that that displays everyone's strengths, which is essentially a concert where the vocalists are doing their vocaling.
And they're vocaling.
Yes.
The dancers are doing their dancing.
And the performance unit is doing their performing.
They're performing.
And then, as a whole, EXO is being sexy for the crowd. I mean, there's no way around that. The entire performance, the choreo was meant to sway hips and grab crotches and
yeah, like this four set or this four set song piece, whatever. I can't even speak. I'm kerflumped. This is like all like coming out in mumbo jumbo. It was all like really done in this sensual manner, right? Like from White Noise to Thunder to Playboy, Artificial Love, they incorporated this like sensual and sexual, you know, kind of like movements.
It's a definite.
to
It's
their
definitely
performance.
an intimate like setting. I think this whole section kind of like marks, I suppose, these 4 songs being one of their more mature kind of sounding songs.
Right.
You know, and they pack them all together so that the next set of songs will be bright or vibrant
Yeah.
or otherwise, you know. But for sure, this whole performance was just centered around
Exquisite. Exquisite.
it was centered around their sexquisites.
Sexquisites.
I don't know.
Oh
Let
my
us know. Let us know
goodness.
what you guys thought. I mean, if
You
there's
guys
any,
knew. I think, yeah, you guys knew.
if you guys were lucky enough to be at the concert, or if you guys watched this concert when it aired or something, and if you provided the link to this, let us know what your true motivations were, because Kai legit knows how much he is affecting XOL.
Exols.
EXO, looking at his smirk, Playboy is his song, I am telling you.
We definitely noticed that. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do anymore. Look out for our last video of EXO week. It might be or it might not be the intro towards Forever. We'll see. We'll probably watch that on our own. Yeah, EXO week it's crazy. It's coming and going, and who knows when we'll be able to do EXO again. That depends on the performance of this video. How many likes, how many subscribers.
Now, of course, we cover a lot of different groups, so it is a special thing when we do a week for one group, but it is also a thing that we can't do that every single time, right? So
Right.
you guys have to show us some love with the likes and the comments, and let us know what you guys want to see. And we'll continue with our journey with EXO, and we've got a lot more for EXO week still to come. But that'll do it for this reaction. If you liked it, if you got pregnant in some way, shape, or form, hit the bell icon to turn on notifications and subscribe. Give this video a like, and consider joining our members only section if you want to see some uncut and unblocked footage from EXO
Which
week.
this video probably will be.
Yeah, there's a lot of videos this week that might potentially have some uncutness. So if you want to see those, go to watchingsundays.com/special. They're all there. But in any case, this is what we're watching this Sunday. We'll see you all next time.
Artificial love.